Update on Paul Buchanan versus Andrew Holness. The saga deepens, family. Andrew Holness might think the game done, but Paul Buchanan just showed him it's only halftime. The Prime Minister can duck, dodge, and use every trick in the book, but the People's National Party comrade is heading straight to the Supreme Court, and this time he's swinging for justice. They tried to silence Paul Buchanan. They thought denying his case at the Constituted Authority would shut him up. But instead of folding, Buchanan has stepped up the fight. Last week, the authority threw out his petition that challenged Andrew Holness's so-called victory in St. Andrew West Central. A win clouded by violence, intimidation, and voter fear, especially in the Olympic Gardens and Malines Gardens divisions. But Buchanan isn't giving up. His attorney, Hugh Wildman, has now filed a Supreme Court lawsuit seeking a judicial review of that decision because democracy must never be muzzled by political power. And let's be real, what's Andrew Holness afraid of? If the election was clean, why panic when a man asks questions? Why try to silence a patriot who simply wants fairness for the people? Holness may be the Prime Minister, but he's not above the Constitution. Jamaica deserves transparency, not intimidation. Buchanan is standing tall for every voter who was bullied, for every ballot that was doubted, and for every Jamaican who still believes in the rule of law. This isn't just about one seat, it's about protecting democracy from dictatorship. And family, I truly hope Paul Buchanan gets the justice he deserves, and for the people he passionately wants to serve. But if justice doesn't come here, best believe he will go further to the Privy Council. Because when a man is fighting for truth, he doesn't stop at obstacles, he climbs over them. And trust me, Asat Buchanan is right there, waiting to take over the reins if the Privy Council calls. The People's National Party isn't backing down, not now, not ever. Family, the battle lines are drawn. Andrew Holness versus the voice of the people. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you stand with? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real commentary straight from Michy commentary, where truth never backs down.